Welcome to Sovereign Citizen Legal Encounters. All right, today I'm going to be covering a sovereign citizen by the name of Benjamin Meyer, who threatened Judge Washington in court back in November 2024. Now, I've had his video in pieces of other videos. Now I have the whole thing in one video. So it's 3 hearings. Second one's kind of short, but it's just to give you the timeline up to what's going on right now. I'm already in these videos because they were already pre-recorded because I've already posted them. So I'm just going to let you watch them. And that's pretty much it for it. But that way, if you want to come back to it later, you have something that you want to look at instead of looking through other videos. Okay, Benjamin Meyer. His original charge why he had to come back to court was for the violation of a safety belt back in May of 2005. In November 2024, he picked up the threat of terrorism and the malicious phone use when he threatened Judge Washington. So he's still currently incarcerated on a $1 million bond. So now you're going to see all of the court cases that he have up to the current one that he just had on January 2nd, 2025. Let's go.
There's a phone number that ends in 8883. Can you please unmute your device and tell us your first and last name? It's *6 to unmute. Hit star and 6 to unmute the device. 8883. Please hit *6 to unmute your device. We can't call your case if we don't know who you are.
Hello?
Yes, please tell me your first and last name.
Well, my name is Benjamin Meyer, M-E-Y-E-R, unlike the paperwork that I've been sent. But it says M-Y-E-R. It is not me. I am here under duress.
Mr. Meyer?
Yes, ma'am. M-E-Y-E-R, not the person you had spelled on this paper.
Mr. Meyer, please stop talking.
Yes.
The court will call the case of the State of Michigan versus Benjamin Meyer, case number DIB 053809. Is that correct?
See what's for the people.
267659. Thank you. Mr. Meyer, you've placed your name on the record a number of times at this point. You're here for a contempt hearing today. Mr. Meyer, you owe this court $168. When do you plan to pay it?
I do not plan to pay it because I don't own it. Period. End of discussion.
Okay. Well, then what I'm going to do, Mr. Meyer, is find you in contempt of court.
And what you're going to do is find yourself in a 1984 federal lawsuit.
All right. Let's do it however you want to do it. You're found in contempt. You need to be here in person.
Absolutely not. I will not be coming to your court for any reason.
Bench warrant to issue.
And what you're going to do is find a gunfight and a fight on the side of the fucking road.
All right.
This fine and fee was paid 10 years ago or more. Now you can either listen or we can do this out in front of your court.
Mr. Meyer.
This fine was paid 10 years ago. Will not be paid again. You damn near shot me and killed me. Are you kidding me? Have you goddamn lost your minds?
30 days in the Washtenaw County Jail. Keep it up. We'll go with more.
And we'll see you hung in front of Washtenaw County Jail.
All right. Your threats, I'm going to report that to the Attorney General.
I'm reporting you to the Attorney General. Are you nuts?
Okay. Everything you're saying is being recorded.
You are a goddamn tyrant.
All right.
I called the goddamn attorney's office and you rejected me. Are you insane?
3 days in the Washtenaw County Jail. Keep it up.
Oh, you'll find yourself in prison.
All right.
You think you're a goddamn king? You're a tyrant.
90 days in the Washtenaw County Jail.
Below me.
All right.
Now that didn't make any sense.
Court calls case people versus Benjamin Meyer.
Hey, Mr. Canatra for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Meyer, who's approaching to my right. Judge, state your name, Mr. Meyer.
Benjamin Meyer.
Your Honor, this is a time for a probable cause conference. I have had a chance to discuss this matter with Mr. Meyer in some detail. There is some investigation I would like to do. I'd ask the court for a brief adjournment of the probable cause conference.
How long will it take you for your,
I'd ask for 3 weeks, Judge.
pardon?
I'd ask for 3 weeks.
3 weeks. All right. Probable cause conference, January 2nd, 2024. 5. Told you. Just 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No. Court calls case People versus Benjamin Meyer.
There's appearing on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Ben Dunaway on behalf of Mr. Meyer, who is approaching the podium now. Mr. Meyer, would you please state your name for the record?
Benjamin Meyer.
Okay.
And Your Honor, Mr. Meyer would like to demand his exam.
Okay, we're gonna have a problem. Counsel approach.
Worth, because they have to find a judge that can do it, because it's in the case. Yeah, that's all fine.
All right, record to reflect, we had a bench conference in this case. In this matter, I don't have a problem setting it for preliminary examination. As I talk to counsel at the bench, it will be likely, given the circumstances of the case, that all 7 judges or district court judges will recuse. And so a judge has to come from someplace else to hear your case, sir. Okay. And so I talked with counsel so that it's going to be a logistical. There are certain logistics that are going to cause a problem, just to let you know. So what I'm trying to do is speed it up as much as I can, and hopefully get it done. So I've got 3 of the, including myself, I have 3 of the judges here in the building. Okay, so hopefully we can try to get those 3 signatures recusing today. Then there are 4 other, well, there are 3 others then from 15th, if they decide to recuse, that we would have to get their signatures. And obviously Judge Washington would we'd have to get her signature, which I don't think is going to be a problem. So to get that process started, and while I'm laying that all out to you, I don't know if it's going to work that way, but I'm going to do my best. Okay.
Appreciate it.
I'll set the preliminary examination at this point for January 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. I'm going to set that before me. And then that way I can start that process and hopefully get that done. Okay, that's the best way. The other thing I'm going to note to you, and in setting it out to that point, I am finding good cause to do so, is that after all of that occurs, your date may get moved, not only because of the other judge, but also because the Judge Washington's docket, everybody's going to try to work around that.
Gotcha.
Okay, so I'm just trying to be as transparent as I can for you in terms of dates and everything.
Thank you.
Got it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So I'll do that. Bond will continue. And then we'll go that way. Okay.
I'll come
I
to
need
the jail next week.
need it set up.
Okay, so this guy's situation, see, he wouldn't have had to deal with all that if he wasn't doing the sovereign citizen thing, and he wouldn't have threatened the judge. So the only reason, which you may know, but I'm just going to explain it, that all these judges are recusing themselves is because it would kind of look like a prejudice if they have that hearing in that district, knowing that they all work together, and if whatever, verdict he gets, if it's not to what he think it should be, he's like, oh yeah, they conspired against me. So to do that, they're getting somebody else out of there to do it. I'll follow up on that. I don't know if they're going to stream it or not. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day, evening, or night. And we'll see what happens for the next video, okay? See ya.